Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Cashapp with Sofi. In order to do that, you're going to first need a Cashapp account, and if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your Cashapp account once you sign up. Now, once you sign up, you're going to reach a page that looks like this here. Go ahead and click on the upper right-hand profile icon. Scroll down to where it says linked banks. Now, if you don't see the words linked banks, it might say linked card. What I found is that you do need to link your debit card in order to link your bank. So as you can see here, I do have my debit card linked. And so I can go ahead and click on link bank and then go ahead and click on continue. And then from here, you just want to find Sofi. So Sofi is on the right-hand side. So go ahead and click on Sofi and then enter your credentials to Sofi. So you want to log into your Sofi account, and then afterwards, click on the checkboxes of which accounts you want linked to Cashapp. Whether you want to link your checkings account or whether you want to link your savings account, go ahead and link that. Now, that is how you link Sofi with Cashapp. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below and you'll instantly get $5 deposited into your Cashapp account once you do sign up.